Hi, this is Dale Guiducci with ERA Credit Services, and I'm so excited to talk with you about a new program we have for people that want to start a credit repair business. In other words, they're researching and trying to find the way through the quagmire, all the stuff that you got to do to start a credit repair business. It's a program for them, but also a program for those of you that maybe already did go through that, started your business, and are having some challenges moving that business forward. I'm excited to tell you about it, so stay tuned. Now, before I get into the details of what I'm so excited about, this new program, I just wanted to recognize the fact that maybe some of you don't know who I am and what my background is, and why I'm the one telling you all this, right? And I wanted to just share a little bit about that. I've been in the credit repair business for 8 years now, over 8 years. I built a national company, a company that's done over $5.5 million in sales revenue during that time. And more importantly, for the purpose of this video, I've also helped hundreds of people and thousands in terms of training people how to establish and run a credit repair business. So I think I'm a bit qualified to talk to you about this topic. And for years now, I've also been writing about and doing videos about how to start a credit repair business and everything that you have to go through and so forth, and the different business models. And of course, sharing our business model. We have a specific business model that many people have taken advantage of and have gotten involved in our coaching and our training and so forth. But there are others that have gone a different way in terms of the do-it-yourself method. And what I mean by the do-it-yourself method is, piecing everything together that you need to get your business off the ground. Software as an example. Everybody's, obviously looking for software because they feel they need software to draft dispute letters, surety bonds and all the federal laws and the state laws and websites, and pulling credit is a big issue. How do you get credit pulled, and how do you get, how are you able to take Visa, MasterCard, Discover, American Express? You need a merchant services company. How do you do all of this? And then a lot of people have gone through all of that, spent all that time, energy, and money, and then they run into challenges. Now, the challenges just start at that point, because now the challenge is you have to go out and grow your business. You have to go out and find customers. You have to go out and get customers coming in on a regular basis. You got to find time to do the marketing for that. You got to find the time to do the sales for that, plus all the other stuff, the service delivery, the drafting of the dispute letters and keeping up with your clients and doing the customer support and all of that. And they're running into a lot of challenges with that. So I've realized that there's no real resource for those of you that are starting, to piece a business together. You want to figure out how to do that, or those of you that have done that and you can't seem to find the time or understand how to put it all together and really grow your business. So that's what this is all about. We've started a credit repair business coaching program, and I am so excited to do this. I've gotten calls over the years from people that want to start a business, of course, but also those that have already started a business. They're going, I need help. I need someone that knows how to piece it all together. I need help from someone that knows how to go out and establish the marketing side of this business, to bring in business, as well as, maintain all this other stuff that you got to do to have a credit repair business. So that's what this new credit repair business coaching program is all about. We're going to talk about things like, and teach people things like, surety bonds. Let's talk about that. I mean, do you need one, and how do you get one, and how to legally advertise and market your credit repair business. You just can't go out there. It's a highly regulated industry. You can't go out there and just say anything. What are the things you can and cannot say to stay in compliance legally with your state government and, of course, the federal government? Details on the Fair Credit Reporting Act. That's important. Details on the Credit Repair Organizations Act. That's very important to understand the laws that govern how to run a credit repair business. How to grow a steady stream of customers without paying for leads. Like I've never paid for a lead, yet I have a steady stream of customers coming in. How do you do that? How do you get a steady stream of referrals coming in? This is huge. How do you get a steady stream of referrals coming in from people in credit-related industries that just want to give you their credit challenge clients? How do you get referrals from people that you know and your existing customers? There's a way to do that to keep that business coming in. And then this one is huge, right? And this is one is something a lot of people run into challenges with. How do you manage your client expectations of the results of credit repair and keep them as happy customers? There's a way to do that. I'll teach you how to do that, and that will solve that problem for you, and you always will have happy customers. Here's another big one. How to add value to your service and your services that you're giving clients, but how to also differentiate you and your company from all those other people, all those other companies out there that are doing credit repair. What makes you different? If there's nothing that makes you different, then you're just like everyone else out there, and that doesn't put you in a competitive position to go out and market your company, either directly to customers or to get referral sources. I will teach you how to differentiate you, how to differentiate your company, and put you in a much, much better position to win that business each and every time, and how to have a high closing ratio. So in other words, when you have somebody that's interested in increasing their credit score, what's that conversation? How do you overcome objections before those objections even come up? And how do you close more business? How to break. People call me up and they go, listen, I'm doing okay. I'm getting clients coming in the door, but I'm just not making the profit that I thought I would. How does that work? And so we will talk about in this coaching program how to break that $5,000 a month mark, how to break that $10,000 a month mark, how to make a lot more business or as much money as you want. Like some people don't want to make $10,000 or $20,000 a month in the credit repair business because it's part-time for them. That's fine. We'll cater that to you. But others that want to go out and build a significant business, we can talk about how to do that. And again, there's no resource out there for those people that want to start a credit repair business or did start a credit repair business and are having challenges and just need some help and guidance. But now there is, because we just launched it. And of course, people that have joined forces with us and use our business model, those folks get an extensive training program. Not only what they need to know about credit repair in credit repair law and all of that, but just as importantly, how to build a credit repair business. But now we're bringing that same program and actually more to the table for people like you that maybe want to start doing things on their own, and that you go out and buy some software and you're piecing it all together. We're going to help you do that, or if you've already done that, we're going to help you again grow your business. Now, if this is of interest to you and you need some guidance on how to start a credit repair business, how to grow a credit repair business, visit our website, eracreditservices.com. I'll put a link in the description to the page, and it's the Credit Repair Business Coach page. So if you go to the website directly, at the top of the page, it says Credit Repair Business Coach. Click on it and it'll give you all the details. But I am going to put a link in the description directly to that page, and you'll get a lot more details than I'm putting here in the video. But just so you know, if you decide to take part in our Credit Repair Business Coaching Program, you're going to, first of all, we're going to do a complete assessment of your business. Like, where are you at today? What are the challenges that you're having? What are the holes that need to be filled? What things do we need to focus on and pay attention to complete and have you have a solid, rounded out business that you can move forward? So we're going to do a complete assessment, or if you're, again, just starting a credit repair business, what bits and pieces do you have put together? What else do you need to think about and do? We're going to put that together, and a game plan. On top of that, a game plan with action steps to start or grow a business. So you're going to have an assessment and a complete game plan with action steps. You're going to get weekly 30-minute coaching sessions with me. You're going to get access to our private Facebook group with over 300 other credit repair business owners that I've coached throughout the years that are involved in that group. You're going to get this. You're going to get weekly live Facebook training. So I do use Facebook Live, and for those folks that are part of our Facebook group, our private Facebook group, they see me do a training each and every week. You're going to have access to all those new trainings. You're going to have access to over 90 trainings that I've previously done. 90. So different topics that you can look at the title of the training and go in and watch a 30-minute training that I've done on that particular topic, 90 of them. So 45 hours of training right there. And then you're going to get access to our complete video training library. Like if you want to learn how to go out and get business from people in credit related industries, I've got a video about that. If you want to learn how to talk to people that you know and get them to refer business to you, I've got a video about that. If you want to learn how to talk to your clients and close more business when you're on the phone talking to them about your services, I've got a video about that. So you want to learn about credit repair law, you want to learn about the process that the credit repair credit bureaus go through, and the probability, this is huge, of getting items removed from a credit report based on certain factors, whether it's an old account, new account, who's the creditor, what type of account is it a charge-off account? All those kinds of things are big factors on the probability of getting negative items removed from a credit report. You're going to learn about that. It's a complete program. Now, you might think that this would cost a lot of money, and it should, and it will, but right now we're just kicking it off. We're just getting it off the ground. And so we're pretty much giving away this coaching program right now. In fact, I'm not even going to mention the price on this video, because if I do, and in a short period of time we change the price, then this video is going to be outdated. So if you want to learn more about this again and learn specifically what we give you, specifically what we're going to teach you, the pricing of the program, which is a steal at this particular point in time, then again, go visit the website, eracreditservices.com, go to the Credit Repair Business Coach tab, or just again, in the description, click that link and go right to that page. And read about the program and what we're going to be teaching you. And then if you think this is something that you want to find out more about, it caught your interest, you think it's something that you need to progress whatever it is, whatever aspect of the credit repair business you're doing, you think you need it to move yourself forward, then right below at the bottom of the page there, you'll see it says book a phone appointment. That's what it says. Book a phone appointment, right? You click that, it brings up my calendar, and you'll see dates and times that I have available. Pick a date and time that works extremely well for you. When you book that appointment, it goes right on my calendar and it blocks that time for you so that I will call you at that time, and we'll get to know each other a little bit. Like, we'll see if we like each other. We'll see if we can work well together. We'll see if the kind of challenges you're having are the kind of things that I'm a good fit to help you with. And if the answer to that is everything's good, then we can move forward and develop this coach-student kind of relationship, a trainer-trainee relationship, where I can give you my 8 years of experience of success in this industry to try to move your things forward, your business forward, a lot quicker. So go ahead and do that. Visit the website, book a time. If you feel like it's a good fit for you, we'll get on the phone, we'll talk, and I'm excited to share with you some of the things that I've been able to do over the years to really advance my business and have the financial freedom and the time freedom I now enjoy. This is a great business, but you got to do it the right way, and you got to learn from somebody that's been there before. So hopefully this was helpful. Please like the video if you got something out of it. Subscribe to our channel for sure, but click that link below. Go and learn more about our credit repair business coaching program, and we'll talk to you real soon. Have a great day.